This is Vietnam. The waterfall flows to the small village where I have accommodation for 4 nights. Now I will trekking to this waterfall by my own, or to be specific, by a map which was pinned by my host. And this is my second visit of this waterfall. Yesterday it was very cloudy and the photos didn't went very well. So today I have one extra day and I came here almost without any map, just following my memories and some other tourists. And today my trek is a little bit more complicated than yesterday what I did. And today is 10th of November 2019. The temperature is probably around +20 and on the sun +22. Very beautiful weather comparing with yesterday. Vietnam 2019, Sapa.